Welcome back viewers to another tutorial video of SQL. So today we will get SQL installed in our Windows operating system. So first we will go to our Chrome browser. Then we will search for Oracle SQL Express Edition. Now we will go to our first option, Oracle Database Express Edition, and then we will go for Windows 64-bit. So download has started. It will take few minutes. Now open this file, and first we have to extract this folder. So click on the next option. Yes, now the files are extracted. Click on the setup. Now our setup process is on the way. Click on next. I accept the terms and agreement. Click on next, next again, and then we have to put the password. We have to remember this password. Click on next. Now it will take about 15 to 30 minutes to get installed in our system. Click on finish. So SQL is installed on our system. We go to the search bar and search for SQL Plus. So here we have to put the name, which is system, and then enter the password we entered previously. And our SQL is running on our system. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this video.